Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel, where we talk all things automation. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, today's video is for you. We'll be breaking down the top 5 tools for beginners in automation that will not only boost your productivity but also make automation a breeze. So stick around and don't forget to hit that like button if you find this helpful. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1 is Zapier. If you're new to automation and want to connect your favorite apps without writing any code, Zapier is a dream come true. With over 5,000 apps to integrate, from Gmail to Slack to Trello, it's incredibly user-friendly. Create workflows called zaps that automatically trigger tasks when something happens. It's literally automation for everyone. The best part? Zapier offers a free plan for basic workflows, so you can test the waters without spending a dime. Next up is Integromat, or as it's now called, Make. This tool takes automation to the next level by giving you more flexibility to customize your workflows. It's perfect for those who want a bit more control, but still want to keep things simple without diving too deep into coding. Integromat lets you see your entire automation visually, which makes it easier to troubleshoot and improve as you go along. If you're part of the Microsoft ecosystem, Power Automate is your go-to tool. It's integrated with Office 365 and other Microsoft products, making it ideal for automating business workflows. Whether it's syncing data between SharePoint and Excel or automatically approving requests in Teams, Power Automate has your back. It's designed with beginners in mind but offers advanced features for when you're ready to step up your game.